Today's video is going to be on patterns, and specifically making a pattern unique, because you might have run into a problem where you try to edit a pattern and it edits all the other patterns as well, which probably caused a little bit of confusion. I know coming from other DAWs, it caused me a bit of confusion, so let's go ahead and let's take a quick little look at it. So whenever you take a look in here, it's just a blank project, nothing fancy. What I'm going to quickly do is I'm just going to quickly load up my FPC. I'm going to take a simple kick. I really don't care which one. Actually, you know what, here, we'll just go through here. Let's put that and that, sure. Then what I'm going to do is in the playlist view, which you get to with F5, or by actually clicking that button up there. Then what I'm going to do is you can click up here to make a new pattern, but I'm going to simply hit F4. I'm going to call this drums, and I'm going to make it red. We'll go ahead, and I usually put my drums, I scroll down to like track 20 because I like my drums to be on the bottom of the track. What I'm then going to do is right click the track. I'm going to do auto name, so that helps it look actually nice and organized. Then what I could do as well is above it, we'll just call this percussion. And then group with the above track. I like to make that small, so now I can move my percussion around if need be. I double click on drums, or the actual pattern. I hit F7 to open up the piano roll, or you can also click up there. And I'm going to quickly program a little drum loop, which, I mean, since it's going to be rhythm, it's easy. And then, fun fact, if you actually highlight a section, you can press Control B as in boy, and it will go ahead and just paste it for you. So now we have a 4-bar loop, as simple as it can get, and now this was a point of confusion for me whenever I was new. What I did, we can go ahead and make a new one, but what if I want to have an extra little snare at the end here? Well, what you may notice is, well, now both of them are changed. And that's not what I wanted. Now, yes, you could technically make a new pattern, or you just go and, click with the brush tool so you can, put it wherever you want. And then click the little, looks like a keyboard logo, and hit make unique. That'll go ahead and pretty much duplicate everything over for you. And now we can go ahead and just throw that in there. Also, pro tip, I'm using drum sequencer mode, which lets you just, whatever you have the grid set to is what the note will be. It's fairly useful if you're programming drums. So now at the end of this one, and then at the end of this one. So at least when I was new to FL, I know this is something that I found myself Googling. So with that being said, hopefully this tutorial is of some use to you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and be sure to subscribe for more content. I think my next video, which I'm probably going to record right now, is going to be on making a automation envelope and how to work with those. So you go ahead and stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you next time.